Welcome back, everyone. We've got a fun one today, testing the cheapest manual tile cutter on Amazon, made by MD Company. This is a 14-inch manual tile cutter, steel-based construction, cast aluminum brackets and cutter assembly, polished rails, carbide cutting wheel. Now this is a very useful little tool for tile installation. When you're working with a shower, you can use this for the back wall. You don't have to have perfectly clean cuts because they get covered up. Also, installing tile for a floor, you have a perimeter which will be covered by baseboard. So again, you don't have to have very clean cuts. You can just score, snap, and install. So we'll take a look at this, test it out on a number of different types of material. We will cut porcelain, ceramic, and stone. So here is the various types of material that we're going to cut. We'll try some marble scrap. Try to cut a 3x3 piece of travertine. We will attempt to cut 1/2 inch very hard porcelain. We will see if it can score and snap travertine. Of course, we must test out a porcelain plank. We will attempt to cut sheeted porcelain tile, 2x2, and of course your standard 12x12 ceramic. All right, let's open this little guy up. Very light little manual cutter. There's your rail. Looks like it's already greased up and ready to go. Feels somewhat sturdy for the price. You've got a fence here. Let's take that off. There's your scoring wheel here. And yeah, pretty basic, pretty simple. Manual tile cutter. Let's get right to it and cut some tile. Here we go. We'll start with marble scrap here. There we go. Yes, it can score and cut marble. Let's try some 3x3 travertine. Yes, they can score and snap travertine, no problems. Now this is the ultimate test. Very, very hard, 1/2 inch thick porcelain. Let's give it a shot. Now, I don't want to break this guy. It's not snapping. This porcelain is a little too hard, a little too thick for this little guy, this little manual tile cutter here. If I squeeze hard enough, it might break the tile and it might break the cutter. So no, it does not cut 1/2 inch hard porcelain. We'll quickly try some travertine here. Yes, it does score and snap travertine. All right, guys, let's try a porcelain plank here. We will cross cut this. Here we go. Not a problem whatsoever, and very clean cut. All right, I'm ready to challenge this little tile cutter. We've got porcelain pan tile here, 2 inch by 2 inch. This is a little less than 1/2 inch, but fairly thick porcelain. Here we go. And again, I'm either going to break the manual tile cutter or break the tile. I don't want to break this little guy. Little too thick, little too hard of porcelain for this cheap manual tile cutter. Let's try some ceramic. Here we go, 12 by 12 ceramic. Again, this is a 14-inch manual tile cutter, under $20. No problems whatsoever. I mean, look how clean that is. Impressive. So, well, there you guys go. The cheapest manual tile cutter on Amazon, under $20. MD company. It's lightweight. Feels okay. Let's talk about what it cut and what it did not cut. It cut marble, no problems. It also cut travertine, no problems. We could not get this manual tile cutter to snap half-inch porcelain. Too heavy, too thick, too hard. It did cut travertine. Fairly clean, without a problem. Porcelain plank, it cut and snapped this thing like butter. I could not get this to cut half-inch porcelain sheeted tile, 2-inch by 2-inch. You can see the score there, it just did not snap. And of course, it scored and snapped ceramic just like butter in a hot knife. Well, there you guys go. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed it. These are pretty fun. Again, the cheapest manual tile cutter on Amazon. Thanks for watching.